Hello everybody, I'm gonna give you what app can hack your game. Now you see that happy face, download that, Lucky Patcher, or in Aptoid. Okay, look at my money, how to hack Lucky Patcher. Okay, like this. What app you want to hack? Live racing, open menu patches, click modify APK, rebuild the app. Oh, please wait, we're gonna wait a minute. If ours, your apps is so bigger. Now here live race is not bigger, it's just a minute. Wait for a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Please wait. Costume bars available in Apple. But if you see in upper shape found, you can hack it, right? Okay, please wait. It's so weird, right? Because this wait is so long. But if you see, just press the time base, open menu patches. No modify APK. Now press the green one. Okay, now rebuild the app. If you see the file will libraries, press it, and if you see the install and uninstall or install, press it. Now it's gonna installing. It's gonna uninstall and you can install it now. Play the game now or download it. Now if you see now, buy to the store. Go to file just like that. Live race. It's uninstall. Just like that. Settings. Priority. No sources. Okay. Install just like that. You see. It's work. Like me or subscribe me. And don't forget to subscribe me if you want it. Install it. Okay, let's open now. If you want to be a billionaire, just hack it. Okay. Now Hill Climb Race is now here. Now look at, you can see it. There's my cars. You got get your best offer. And press the save purchase of store. Now see it? That's nice light. Let's play. It's fun. Okay, it's finished, guys, and goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. Just don't forget me to subscribe. Now you learn how to hack your Lucky Puncher and what app can hack your games. Bye!